In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build backlinks with the Semrush link building tool. Effective backlinking is crucial for enhancing your website's authority and ultimately boosting its SEO performance. Semrush provides a comprehensive toolkit that helps you identify potential backlink opportunities and track your progress effectively. Let's dive in and see how you can leverage this tool to its full potential. First, you'll want to navigate to the Semrush website. Using your preferred browser, Semrush is a powerful platform for data-driven marketing tools, designed to help grow your business by improving digital visibility. Once you're there, the next step is to log in. If you haven't set up an account yet, make sure you do so, as the link building tool is accessible only to registered users. After logging in, you'll arrive at the Semrush homepage, which serves as your dashboard, displaying all your current projects and tools. From the home page, locate a specific SEO project you are currently working on or planning to start. Clicking on an SEO project will take you to a detailed view, providing you with insights and tools specific to that project. This is where you'll find the SEO dashboard, a vital hub for managing various aspects of your SEO efforts. The dashboard offers an overview of key metrics and tools, making it easier to keep track of your site's performance and opportunities for growth. Now, within the SEO dashboard, you will find the link building tool. This tool is especially effective for identifying potential backlink opportunities by analyzing a vast database of websites and their linking patterns. Click on the link building tool to access its features. At this point, you might want to explore the functionality of the tool, which includes discovering prospects for backlinking. It also allows you to generate outreach strategies, making it easier to establish connections with relevant sites. The power of the Semrush link building tool lies in its ability to filter prospects based on authority, relevance, and other criteria, ensuring that your backlinking efforts are both strategic and efficient. As you begin using the tool, pay attention to the opportunity scores provided for each prospect, guiding you toward the most beneficial sites to focus on. Additionally, Semrush offers outreach templates, which can significantly streamline the communication process with potential link partners. Remember, building quality backlinks is an ongoing process that requires patience and persistence. Regularly checking your link building progress, adapting your strategies, and following up with potential link partners will yield the best results over time. By incorporating these strategies and tools from Semrush, you're setting your website up for improved search engine visibility and, ultimately, more organic traffic. Thank you for joining me in this guide on how to build backlinks using the Semrush link building tool. I hope you found this tutorial insightful and feel ready to enhance your site's backlink profile effectively. Be sure to explore more features of Semrush to optimize your overall SEO strategy.